Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to take apart a 2-speed transmission and how to adjust your gear shift in your Exceed RC car. Adjusting your gear shift will allow you to achieve more control over where your power is allocated on your power band. And also, over time, your gears may get worn down and may need to be replaced. The transmission we're working on today can be found on your Exceed, Forza, Ultra, or Rally Monster. So let's get started, guys. So we're going to start by removing the 2 screws on the casing of the transmission. And once you have those screws out, the 2 halves of your transmission casing should come apart just like that. Opening up the inside of your transmission, you're going to notice that there are 2 gears. Your larger gear, which is going to drive your car at lower speeds, and the smaller gear, which is your high-speed gear. And also there's a 2-speed clutch in your center gear shaft. As you're going to notice on the 2-speed clutch, there's a screw right here, and that screw can be used to adjust the point of your gear shift. Loosening the screw will allow your transmission to switch to the smaller high-speed gear at a lower speed. And tightening that screw is going to do the opposite, and it's going to let your car shift at a higher speed. Putting together your transmission is very simple. First, we're going to put on our high-speed gear, and then the 2-speed clutch, and finally the low-speed gear. And when you're securing your 2-speed clutch, you want to make sure that you screw in the grub screw and that it's mated properly to the flat edge of the center gear shaft. Make sure it's at a perpendicular angle so it's a good seal. And once again, you're going to have your 2-speed gear, your 2-speed clutch, your high-speed gear, and then your low-speed gear. Now, when you're putting it back together, you're going to notice that on the 2 halves of your casing, on one half there's a hole on the top. You want to make sure that half goes over the side where your 2-speed clutch is. And once you put the 2 halves together, it should snap closed like that. And then we just need to put in these 2 screws. And then we're finished putting together our transmission. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Thanks for watching, guys, and please stay tuned for more instructional videos from Nitrorcx. And then we're finished putting together our transmission. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Thanks for watching, guys, and please stay tuned for more instructional videos from Nitrorcx.